Hello friends, happy Diwali to all of you. My today's video is about how we celebrate Diwali in America and what is Diwali. Because I have a lot of American and European friends who always ask me that what is Diwali and how you people celebrate it. So I thought let me make a detailed video on this about what is Diwali and how we celebrate it. But before that, I would like to wish all my viewers, especially in India, all my friends and relatives in my mother tongue, that is Marathi, and Hindi, the national language of India. And then we will quickly start with today's video about what is Diwali. And stay till the end, because at the end I will tell you how the Diwali celebration is America is little bit different from what we celebrate in India. माझ्या सर्व मित्रमैत्रिणींना आणि माझ्या सगळ्या नातेवाईकांना माहेरच्या आणि सासरच्या आणि इतर मराठी मंडळीचे सध्या ह्या व्हिडिओ बघत आहात सगळ्यांना दिवाळीच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा। हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है और ये त्यौहार तो अपने भारत का ही है, तो मैं आप सबको हिंदी में भी दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी। आप सभी को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। माता लक्ष्मी की कृपा हम सब पर बनी रहे और हमें धन संपत्ति और अच्छा स्वास्थ्य प्रदान करे। So friends, I will tell you what is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights which is celebrated by Hindus, Sikhs and Jains all over the world. I will tell you the story behind the Diwali, that why Diwali is celebrated. So the story is like that Lord Ram, who was a prince of Ayodhya, he fought with Ravana, who abducted his wife and won over him. So his victory is celebrated as Dashera, and then he came back to Ayodhya. So all the villagers, they wanted to welcome him and they want to celebrate his victory. So they lighted the whole village with diyas, and the palace they lighted with diyas. So whole village was illuminated with lights. That time there was no electricity, so they used the clay diyas. I will show you. So these are the diyas, these are made of clay, and this is the wick. So you have to put like that, and the oil. So they lighted the whole city with this diyas, and they believed in Lord Ram so much that they believed that once he comes back to Ayodhya, Ayodhya will become very prosperous, because till that time he was not the king, but after he came back he became the king. People believed him in so much in that they considered that God, because he has all the qualities as God, and still we consider him as God only. You can find Lord Ram in all our temples also. We worship him. So so after that we started celebrating Diwali every year on this day. So this festival is associated with the prosperity, because that time the people thought that once Lord Ram comes to Ayodhya, the Ayodhya will become very prosperous. So we do Lakshmi Puja on this day. We welcome goddess Lakshmi. Some also do Kali Puja on this day. So we start with the preparations for Diwali. Like we want to welcome goddess Lakshmi, so we start first with the deep cleaning of the house. So we first deep clean all the houses, then we bake various sweets, savories and food for the god, to offer the gods and the goddesses. And we decorate our houses, we light diyas, and nowadays we do also use the electric lightings also. So we do all this, and then we do the Lakshmi Puja, which I will show you in my in this video itself, that how we do the Lakshmi Pujan. And the Lakshmi Pujan and may differ from state to state, because in India there are so many states. So if we divide India into 4 parts, like east, west, south, north, so the states which are in the west, they will do the similar kind of puja. The north states, they will do the similar kind of puja. So, and people make the food accordingly also. Like I am a Maharashtrian, so I made Puran Poli to offer to God. So Gujaratis will make some other food and they will offer to God. But basically we worship the gods and goddesses during this festival. And we buy new clothes, we wear new clothes. You can see I am wearing a sari. This is our traditional Indian dress, sari. So we wear this traditional dress. The men's, they wear kurta pajama, and children's also wear kurta pajama. So we wear the traditional outfits on this day. And yes, the Diwali is not complete without the firecrackers. So we do burst the firecrackers on this day, and we do celebrate this day. And we also invite friends and family for the get-togethers and all. So I will show you how we do the puja. That are the rituals we do, and how we do the aarti. Aarti also differs. Aarti is the songs which all Americans mostly ask that you sing some songs, but they are not songs, they are the prayers. So that also depends. Somebody does the aarti in Sanskrit, some do in the regional languages like we do in Marathi, some might do in Gujarati or some other languages. So I will show you in my video how we do the puja, Diwali puja. So friends, I will show you how we do the Diwali puja rituals. So you can see these are the grains. I have put different grains here in the puja, and after the puja I will be putting this grains in my big box of grains, so that my house is always filled with food, and we have enough food to eat. And these are the fruits, 5 fruits we are offering to God. You can see 5 fruits. And this is Ganpati God. So before any puja we first worship Ganpati, and after that this is goddess Lakshmi. This is a goddess of wealth and prosperity. And this you can say, see, this is Saraswati Mata, goddess of wisdom. So we worship these 3 gods in Diwali puja. And we also make Lakshmi Mata out of this rice, and then we offer the haldi kumkum to all the gods and offer flowers to them. And we also make this kalash. This is a coconut and these are betel leaves. So we also make this kalash, and then we also this offer the currency. Like in any country's currency you can offer. Like we are in America, so we are offering the dollars, and some coins we are offering. So because this Lakshmi Mata, it represents the prosperity and the wealth. So anything you can offer, gold, silver, anything, or the currency notes. And I'm showing this puja on the next day, because now I have to remove everything and put back the grains in my big boxes of grains. And we can eat these fruits. And I offered this prasad. You can see this is the prasad, this food I offered to them, and some more food I will show you. So I just covered it at night. So you can see some. These are sweets and savories, and the food we offered to God and goddesses yesterday, and some water. So today we can eat this food as a prasad. It will have all the God's energy and blessings in this. So friends, I will tell you how the Diwali in America is different than what we celebrate in India. So you can see the 2 diyas in my hand. This diya is of clay. We put the wick and the oil, the traditional one, and this is the another diya we get here. This diya, you can see the wax inside the diya, and the wick is already there. The wick is already there. So you can just light this diya. So you can choose either of these diyas, but we prefer to bring some traditional diyas also along with these diyas. And moreover, in America you cannot light so many diyas, because it is not considered safe. Because here, you know, the houses are made up of wood, all the wooden houses, and wood, you know, can catch fire very easily. So most of Indians, what they do, they put more lightings in their patio, or in their on their door, and very less diyas they use. And when they light the diyas, they are more careful with the diyas, because it can catch fire. And one more interesting thing I'll tell you, that the kampur which we use in the aarti at the end, we use the kampur, or you can say kapur. So that we use, and if we use that kapur, our Indian one, then our smoke alarm starts ringing after, because the smoke, it detects as a smoke, and our smoke alarm starts beeping. So we don't use that kind of kampur. But this time I saw one kampur, it was written as the smokeless kampur. So that also you can use. And we can also do firecrackers also. Over here you can find the firecrackers in the Indian stores, but you have to take permission to burst the firecrackers, not because of the sound, not because of the sound noise what it creates, but because as the houses are made up of wood, so you have to be little bit careful, and you have to take permission. Then they will tell you where you can, burst the firecrackers. Or somebody, if they have the independent houses, if they have the space in the backyard where they can do the firecrackers, so some people also do in their backyard. So you have to take permission for that. And the most interesting thing which I like about American Diwali is that we do lot of Diwali parties, which I think in India it is not that popular, but in America it is very popular. That friends and family, they do lot of Diwali parties, wherein they do either the potluck, wherein everybody prepares one dish, and they eat all the dinner together or lunch together, and they play various games, or they order the food from outside, and then everybody wear traditional clothes, and they chit chat and play some games, and feel have the feeling of India, or spending time with the Indian families. So they do Diwali celebrations in this way also, and I really like that, because the whole month we have so many Diwali parties and so many get-togethers. So it is very good kind of celebration, and meeting people and wearing traditional clothes. I really enjoy wearing my traditional saris, because I seldom get that much chance to wear our traditional saris or traditional dresses. So I hope you would have liked my today's video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel.